Ottava serie in vasca, la settima che si schiera Francesco Ambrogi in 1, Mattia Zoccarato nuoterà in 2, Alberto Brunelli in 3, Matteo Teolato in 4, Alessio Balbinotto in 5, Lorenzo Marconi in 6, Luca Dabicco in 7, Marco Spagnolo in corsia numero 8.
I wish she'd care to see, but she only cares when she's got the time. And I fret so much about her loving. I wish she'd let me be, but her destiny's got us intertwined. And is it really my fault? I get a shiver when I see her with those other guys, wearing the jacket I bought. I can't help but lose my temper and I don't know why.
58-57 intanto dalla